Hello everybody, welcome to the new video. Today I want to show you how I built this short website in Wix Studio that you just saw in the intro, the little clip there. I hope you liked it. And yeah, today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do these different sections. First of all, I'm Chris, I'm the founder and CEO of Junglebyrd, digital marketing and process automations. And today I want to show you to build this website. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. And let's get started. So I already have the blank canvas here. I have a new Wix Studio project. I already added the header section in here. I have a logo here and a brand name, which you can't see now because Wix Studio is a blank canvas for now. So what I'm gonna do first is actually add a background. The size of this canvas of the first section is now 732 pixels of height. And I'm gonna add a background image, which I already uploaded, which we're gonna use, which is this one. And yeah, so for now we have the background, we can see the logo and the navigation bar. So then the most important part about this is of course the product, the Beanbag, which this website is about. So let's add this one first. I'm gonna go to the images. And I've already uploaded that one, which is this image. Okay, so I've added the beanbag in here. For the entrance, I want to make an animation, which I chose to be the grow animation for the appearance, which will look like this. Like a smooth transition, smooth coming up. So just to emphasize the comfortableness of this beanbag. And yeah, but of course the hero section would not be done without text. So I'm gonna add an H1 and also a subheader. So for that we go to text and click heading 1. So I've added the H1, sync into comfort, and a subheader in a different font. The H1 is monotone and it's 71 pixels of size. The subheader is Spinnaker or whatever it's called, and it's 24 pixels of height. Yeah, they're all center aligned. And then I actually put these two texts into a stack and also align them in the middle horizontally. The only thing that's missing now is a button to shop actually this beanbag and some form of social proof. Usually it's written next to the button in a smaller text. For in this case, we could use like units sold worldwide, something like that, just to make people see that this is actually getting sold and people trust this. So let's add a button and some social proof. The button is added, and also the social proof over 10,000 beanbags sold worldwide. It's also put in a horizontal stack. This button also has a symbol, 2 arrows, and yeah, the text is also monotone like the H1, just to give it some kind of retro feeling. It also has a double edge, which you can do here in the edge section, of 3 pixels, and it's a double. And as you can see, so it gives it a little bit of retro feeling. Also it's made in the brown color, which is going to be important for the next section, because we have the 2 colors on this website, the brown coffee color and also the bright sand color, which are quite a nice fit, I would say, all together. So yeah, for these stacks then I also added an animation, a float animation, and also for this stack down here I've added another animation, a glide animation, which will look like this. So yeah, all together, if we check it out, it looks like this, which is already quite nice, I would say. So let's keep it like that and let's move on to section number 2. So for this section we have to actually start with a layout. For this we're gonna go again to the plus sign, go to layout tools, and then to layout, the first one. And the one I chose for this is this one, this layout, so we're gonna use it. And then first of all what we're gonna do is change the distance between them, 24 and 24 pixels, just like that. Now we have these different sections with the distance between them. What you then want to do next is actually give some of them some color. For that, and use this one and give this one a brown color. These ones should get an edge with the brown color. Let's make it 2 pixels. Also this one should get an edge of 2 pixels. Now what I want to do is give this a one-sided corner that's rounded out. So for that, I'm gonna choose here, detach them from each other, detach the corners from each other, and give the top right corner 120 pixels, just like that. And then let me do this to the other ones as well, and let's fill them with a little bit of text. So I rounded out the corners on all of these things and added some text in here. This one has the subheading text font, and some of them have the main heading text fonts, but they're all heading 2. So yeah, I also added some vector images, some illustrations that fit in here. Premium fabric, ergonomic design, eco-friendly. This one I changed it to a vertical orientation, vertical text. And then for this cell on the right side, I've added another flexbox. What you do for that is you go to flexboxes and then you select this box and actually put it from rows to columns. And then you go over here and you can see that I chose slides, but it's not a slider, it's just slides. The last option from left to right and 1 element per page. You should also add some navigation, so you get these arrows here and you fill it out in a complete cell. And for each flexbox you add another stack, which is this stack. It's a stack, vertical stack with a text at the bottom and an image of the different chairs or the beanbags. You give this whole stack a padding of 2% on each side, or even more, however you like it, but a little bit of padding. And then you round out the edges like we did before. So all of these edges except of the top left have 64 pixels. So you get this look, and you give it a background color of the brown that we already used before. To actually work on the other cells, I have 3 cells. You actually just choose this element of the flexbox and you click the button here. And then this that you already saw here moves to the right. The one right next to it moves to the left. Here is the same stack, same picture, different color, different text, but I reduced the background, or I made it 0% opacity, but I gave this an edge of 2 pixels and again the brown color that we had. But I actually want to be the sand color, the first one. So I'm gonna again choose the element of the flexbox and move this again to the right. So the sand color comes to first place again. And here you can see the other flexbox on the right side. So if we look at this, we should also add some animations. Here you can just use different ones, different animations, grow animation, glide animation. Just make sure that they not appear all at the same time so you can play with the delay. Yeah, I also added animation to each of these stacks. So when you click the button to move to the next item, it has a little bounce animation, which I'm going to show you right now. So let's check out how it looks like. I think it's quite nice. And once you move this, you see the bounce animation and the different models of beanbags that this company has. So all in all, I think it's a really nice start for a website. Clean colors, earthy colors, and a little bit of a retro look, which fits this beanbag. So yeah, I think it's a cool website. I would definitely buy a beanbag from this page if I saw it. Yeah, so let me know what you think down below. And if you have a project going on at the moment for a website that you're planning to build for your company or for your project, then I can definitely help you with that. Just contact me on Instagram or send me an email at info@junglebyrd.net and I will offer you a free hero section for kicking things off and to see if we match together or not, if we can work together, if you like my style, the style of Junglebyrd. So yeah, I'm offering a free hero section for you, and if you don't like it, you can keep the design, do whatever you want with it. Also, if you do like design, you can keep it and you don't have to ever talk to me again if you don't want to. So yeah, that's my offer for you. And if you like this video and want to see more of these tutorials, then I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and also leave a like down below for this video. It would help out a lot. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.